So the Bible said at twilight, they got up and started to head down towards the Syrian encampment. Their feet of faith was heard by the army. Because don't you know that the feet of faith will sound like the declaration of war to the enemy? The Bible says at twilight, they started to move towards the enemy camp. And at twilight, the enemy heard an army coming there. Oh, the Bible says that at twilight, they decided to move. And at twilight, the Syrians ran out of their tent.